Guru Maharaj. So I was so absorbed in his seva, like all the sevas, like Granth Seva. Then when Gurudev left, even the 5 years seems like so many years, like five years seems, when Gurudev left this world, 5 years seemed, the 5 years looked like 50 years for me. The day just was not going. You know, when you are happy, then the days go by so quick. When you get married, when you get married, it's such a nice day for you, you know. Sorry. How long does it take to get married? You get on a horse, you know, and bus one night. Then, but then what happens after getting married? करता ही नहीं है, you know. After married, then it's another story. कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. दीदी भी मुझे तसल्ली दे, कोई बात नहीं. सभी लगता है हाय कहाँ से क्या फंस गया भाई. And then they realize, what have I been trapped in? Whether you're a man or a woman, you always feel, you know, after getting married. So like Gurudev used to say, whoever's eaten Delhi's laddu, they are also trapped in whoever eaten the ladies. So what Gurudev is saying, that during when you're happy, the time goes so fast. Tick tick, you know, when you're happy, the fast goes time. 1 minute. 60 seconds or 50 seconds. But even in our mind, we think that yes, it's going quick. So what I'm trying to say is, during the dukh, during the suffering, the night seems so long, or a day seems so long. But actually it's the same, right? The time is just time. So what I'm saying is, when we are in separation and we are suffering, then you realize, then you have eyes, then you have tears in your eyes. Because when you left that person is separated from you. Then when Guru is very, very, very is suffering. If he didn't have sambandhan, if he didn't have relationship, then this suffering wouldn't be there so much. Why do we get Guru Mantra? To build the sambandh, to build the relationship with Gurudev. Otherwise, there is no reason for it. The Guru's mantra is very small. It's a very small mantra. Guru mantra is very small. So like an elephant, a wild elephant. So for a wild elephant, you don't need a big thing. You need something small to tame the elephant. It's like until we don't have sambandha gyan, in this we will. Is it okay now? So first we cry. Why are we crying? It's called aganto. Come and go. Aganta means come. Aditi means. So it's like for that time they came, and then after some time they went. But when you have the relationship, the chintan, you're thinking like our Raghunath Das Goswami. In in the python. And Radha Kund like tiger. Sir. Yeah, so Raghunath Das Goswami in his separation is saying that the Govardhan is like a python and the Radha Kund is like a tiger. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left, Rai Ramananda left, Swarup Damodar left, all the parikar of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one by one they left. And that time Rupa Goswami left. This Braj. Now what is this Braj Bhumi looking? Like a samsan. Isla samsan means graveyard. It's like Braj. Seems like a samsan. Sorry, graveyard. This is written in Braj Vilas, the Maimao. Is it in English or Portuguese?
She's in Portuguese.
Okay, that's okay then. Otherwise, I thought it's double translation.
You are the only one.
Okay.
Just try to keep mic a little bit far, otherwise.
Okay.
Yes, otherwise.
Okay.
This mic very
Yes,
very
yes.
sensitive.
Yes.
मम्मी कहाँ गई?
अच्छा अभी तक यही है, मैं तो चले गए।
क्या बोल रहे? आपने कथा बोलते हैं।
अंदर आ जाओ तो बंद कर दो गेट।
बंद कर दो।
गेट बंद कर, गेट बंद कर।
सुनायते महागुष्टम गिरीन्द्र अजनायते व्याप्रो तुंडायते कुंडम
बाघ के समान।
ये गिरिराज
This Giriraj,
कैसे लग रहे हैं?
the Radha Kund is like
मुंह के समान।
a mouth of a tiger.
क्योंकि उस समय जो विरह, उसी कथा विरह होता है।
That is called Viraha. That is called separation.
लिखा आपने पढ़ना
Gurudev wrote
विरह।
Viraha. He wrote an article on Viraha.
उसके पहले जो कुछ भी होता है,
What happens before Viraha?
उसे कहा जाता है सच्च, कहा जाता है सच्च, समझते हो?
Sacha. Sacha.
सच्च
Sacha. Clean. Clear.
सच्चा शब्द क्लीन होता है।
Clean or clear?
होता है
Clean.
वो कुछ समय तक रहता है
Clear.
और फिर वो
Clear. Clean. You know, something stays clean for a while and then it's not clean. Sacha mean it's only for a moment.
निर्मल जल।
Nirmal Jal.
सच्चा कहने पर उस समय तक
Nirmal means Sacha means for a time. For a time it's clean.
है विनोद प्रभु जी, है कि नहीं है? सच्चरति है कि नहीं?
Sachavati.
जैसे सच्चरति है, सच्चरति कैसे होता है? जैसे छोटे छोटे बच्चों में
Like Sachavati.
अपने पुत्र मानो,
Acha, you know, like
लेते नहीं है?
sorry, I didn't get it.
ठीक उसी तरह कुछ उसी प्रकार जो है सच्च करके सामान्य समझ तो
Like when a child, you know, like when children are playing, they play like sometimes they act as their mother, father, you know, like that this is my baby, like that they act like they play. So that is temporary, clean. So once you don't have Samban Gyan, until you don't have any Samban Gyan, you will not have any separation. Viraha, you know, separation mode.
उस समय तड़प अभी तड़पना नहीं पड़ा।
You're not feeling like that now. You know, tarap. What's the English word is?
इस प्रकार भाप में चल रहे, कोई अंदर से तड़प रहे हैं, ऊपर से हंस रहे हैं।
Sometimes somebody is really feeling the separation mode inside the heart, and externally they are laughing, but some are crying outside, but they are not feeling the separation inside the heart. That we cannot tell.
ये विषय समझ में? इसको पूछो 21 ले हुए। हाँ तो बोल रहे बात बोल।
So he said, why did you cry? So he said, yes. So she was crying when she spoke. But then she said, because I've never spoken in front of so many people, that's why I cried. Yes, so that tears were probably.
जीव भोग वांछा करे निकटे सुनाए
So he said,
वांछा करी इसी कारण यहाँ पे
so he's asking a question about jivas. Jivas comes of tataksha.
कि इसमें कहीं ना कहीं भगवान की इच्छा भी सम्मिलित
Yeah, like he said, like the other day there was a class Gurudev was giving, and he says there's Bhagwan si ichha is. There's sometimes Bhagwan ichha.
जड़ जगत और जीव जगत को माइक
Jad jagat might.
भगवान की इच्छा भी तो इसमें जीव का दोष कहाँ है
Ha, so he's saying if it's Bhagwan's ichha that the jivas come here in this material world, then what is the then there is no fault of a jiva. What is the fault of jiva? Gurudev is explaining now. The jiva has a shakti. First, try and understand. Since Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying in jiva, the jiva dharma, that jiva have independent. Satantra means independent. What is satantra?
अपनी इच्छा से कोई
Independent.
independent potency जिसमें है
Jiva have independent potency. Means we have a choice. The choice is given to a jiva.
निर्णय लेने की
That
आपको ये स्वतंत्र है
so choice. Jiva पास choice है. Jiva has. You can make your own decision.
डिसाइड और दिखाना
You can make your decision. You have the choice. You have to choose that yourself.
तो समझ में आ गया
हाँ.
पत्थर में है ही नहीं
पत्थर में.
जड़ और चेतन में इतना ही
For example, a stone doesn't have that. Pathar, a rock or a stone doesn't have that independence. They cannot think.
willing नहीं
They don't have feeling or willing.
मैं क्या दिया ये?
But Jeev have feeling, willing.
आप इधर जाओ उधर जाओ
That choice is there. Right? Either you go this side or that
ये
side.
जो है जो जी
So Jeev,
एक तरफ चित्त जगत को देखा और
so
दूसरी तरफ
on the Jeev looked at the spiritual life world, and then on the other side he looked at the material world.
भगवान की सेवा
So,
करना था
so Jeev actually what is the Jeev? Jeev has to serve the Bhagwan.
स्वतंत्रता तो उसकी वही थी ना भगवान की सेवा करनी जो उसने नहीं की।
Yeah, but choice.
करने की वृत्ति आपके पास है
Seva vritti. So the Jiva has got seva vritti. But what?
आप ब्रह्मचारी मतलब क्या है
want to hear.
ब्रह्मचारी मतलब है वो तटस्था में रह रहे वो गृहस्थ भी बन सकते हैं,
So
सन्यासी भी बन
so also right like a Jiva can do for grass can oh sorry
सकते हैं। की तात्पर्य ये
you can't hear this. Oh, so Jiva, like we can say, we can have a choice. Jiva, what Gurudev was saying, that Gurudev has got independence. Jivas have a choice. It's up to you whether you go on this side or on that side. So the choice is whether you get married or take sannyas. So if you go on the Maya side, then you will be trapped in Maya. If you go on the other side, then you will have a God. You will attain God. So to attain God, that sarvata, that independence you have. Swarupa vritti we have. Anubandhi, Swarupa Anubandhi vritti we also have it.
अपने को निर्णय लेना था
But you have to take the decision.
निर्णय लेना पड़ता है कि नहीं है? हाँ सर, आप निर्णय
So we have that power to make decision. But what decision you made? You made a decision to come to Maya.
इसमें जो कहते हैं इसमें भक्ति ठाकुर भी कह रहे हैं
But here Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying,
इसमें भी भगवान में कुछ
even there is some ichha. Bhagwan's desire is there. Because without Bhagwan's desire, nothing can happen.
भगवत इच्छा तो है ही सब
Bhagwan ichha is there.
क्योंकि भगवत इच्छा बिना कोई काम नहीं होता जड़
Because without Bhagwan's ichha, nothing can work.
हमने कहा से जाओ
In the jad, the jad, he didn't give that ichha, like that choice. But to Jiva, I say,
आपको
but we have to make decision ourselves.
निर्णय
Lena pade. Can I ask one question?
इसमें भगवान की भी इच्छा भी है और जीव
भगवान की इच्छा तब हो रहा है जब आप निर्णय लेकर यहाँ जाओ आपने कहा जो महाराज मैं अब जाना चाहता
So like for example, you say, Maharaj, I want to go.
हूँ तो मैं क्या करूँ
Then I said, I'm asking, we ask a question to Maharaj and say, Maharaj, I want to go. So I will say to what?
ये मेरा तो इच्छा जो है
So they said, Maharaj is saying, I have ichha.
क्योंकि ये दोष नहीं लगाते ये जी महाराज आप
So,
नहीं
but
बोले,
you are not
आपने
thinking.
sign कर दिया माइक मुझे।
So he's saying, you told me that I want to go. So you're not looking at my icha. What is my desire? You're not like, because you already made up your mind that I'm going. Yes? So you asked me that question, but you already made up your mind.
एक बच्चा जैसे बार बार आके अगर वो
For example, a bacha who is a child who's,
करेंगे तो माँ छोड़ देती है कि ठीक है एक बार इसको
if a child, yes, if a child, like if the child is going towards fire, and the mother is trying to pull him, and then still the child goes, then the mother will say, okay, let him taste it, then he will automatically come back. When there's one slok, hold on,
कृष्ण ने किया कि
what Krishna said,
कृष्ण sign करने लगे,
Krishna is saying,
आप लोग अपने घर में जाओ। ये लास्ट में श्लोक है एंड क्या बोले 10:33 अध्याय में गए मैं जाकर के एक श्लोक भी आया इसे भगवत अनुमोदित
yeah, Krishna is saying, come to me, but
है। तो ये कहीं की
so sometimes
जीव जो इस संसार में
Jeev who come in this material world, because without Krishna's icha, so nothing, then we wouldn't be here. But that doesn't mean that we see the fault of Bhagwan. But it's fault of ours. We made the decision. First, you try and understand that what is the independence of Bhagwan. Jiva is to serve Krishna. If you didn't want to serve Krishna, and you came here. Even now we have choice. Even now we also have choice. Yes, he's saying that we also have choice now whether to serve Krishna or to serve Maya. We are in the middle of the ocean. We are already the bank. The bank. We are already bank. There's so much waves, so it's very difficult. So it's like the bank of the ocean. Those waves, these giant waves. To cross these waves is. So what you should do? Just do Bhagavad Nam. So it's not easy to pass through all these waves. So the best ways to do is chant wherever you are. What is the conclusion? What is the upay? Means what is the what will this Nam Prabhu? What does Nam Prabhu do? What is the process to do? Get out. What is the upay? Upay means what is the decision? What's the solution? That the waves are going to be. But what is the only solution? There is only one solution. Bhagavad Harinam. So he said, with your kripa. So what is saying? So he says, with your Gurudev kripa, with Guru's kripa, you can cross this. It will dry off these oceans. The waves would dry off, and you will be able to cross it. We have to chant Hari Nam chant करना पड़ेगा. Because with Nam Prabhu's kripa, then you will be able to cross. Then you will beach में. At the moment we are in the bank, like in the middle of the ocean and the land. Then only that upay is, the solution is to do Harinam, then you can act in. First, you try and understand that because of Jeev's independence, Jiva has independence, that's why we have come in this sansar material world. We wanted to serve Krishna. Nitya Das, what is the Swarup of a Jiva? Is a Nitya Krishna Das. But we've forgotten Krishna. We saw the glitter of Maya. That you will have. Then this question arises: Who is more attractive? Krishna is or Maya is attractive? Maya is not that attractive. Then why did Jivas get attracted here? Because we saw. Because where does our eyes go? Our eyes go where something is beautiful, like a rose. Like let you look at the rose. They say your eyes will go where the rose is opened up, and it's.
ये रसखान की पद है।
This is Raskan's poetry he's speaking. I don't know, I can't hear here.
मंतरी विश्राम विश्वभानु।
Explain that.
तो हम इतने सुंदर जो है
So,
गुलाब की जो है बगीचा,
so there's a beautiful garden, you know, there's a garden of roses and there's very nice fragrance coming. And then, you know, but Bhagwan is even more beautiful than that. Then why have we come to, why did we come to this material world? What is the reason is because we are tiny, minute jivas, like minute of what Krishna is. We are part and parcel.
ठाकुर करें जो जीव
The same thing, Krishna, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he said,
भगवान की तरफ देखो वो तरफ में चलेगा।
then if Jiva once look towards Bhagwan, then they will.
प्राप्त हो जाता है उनको जो उसका
भगवान की तरफ जो देख लिया
If you look at the Bhagwan, you look on the side of the Bhagwan, then he will not even turn to Maya.
ऐसा नहीं। और जो जीव भगवान की तरफ पहले नहीं देख माया की तरफ देख,
If the Jeev looks first at Maya, bas, then they look at the glitter of Maya, then they go to Maya.
तटस्थ ऐसे स्थान है वो
Tataksha is a stan, Tataksha is a place
ठाकुर पहले पहले अध्याय में बताए
in the Jaiva Dharma. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, in this first chapter, he's saying, Tataksha. Pani, you know, the level of the water is always changing.
स्थलभाग के बीच में जो
But the line that's between the land and the sea, that is called Tataksha.
क्या क्या बोला
Tataksha.
क्या समझ
The, yeah, because she's saying it's very fine line, you know, between the land and the river. Sometimes the waves, you know, the waters go like comes more. Yes,
जब कम हो जाता है
when the water is less, then the Tataksha is different. So, but the jivas cannot stay in that middle of the line, you know. The Tataksha jiva cannot stay because the level of the water is always moving, right?
चित वस्तु में तो है ना, उस ज्ञान है तो ज्ञान के तरफ तो
इच्छा
विचार
अनुभव
करते
क्रिया है ना।
So that's why he's saying we have gyan, we have that intelligence, because the Maya is so glitter, and then we look towards that.
हैं, इसलिए उस जीव धर्म में कहा है, जो जीव पहले भगवान को दर्शन किया
So in Jaiva Dharma it says, Bhagwan, if you have Bhagwan's darshan first, then you will not look on pious. But if you look at the Maya first,
मुझे तटस्थ स्थान को स्वप्न में
जीव की क्या होता है उसमें वो जीव क्या होता है उसमें?
who's the Jiva?
भ्रमित हो जाता है। माया के कार्य है जीव को भ्रमित करना।
Confused illusion. Yeah. So what is the job of Maya? Is to cause illusion to Jiva that I am the boy. So what we think, what the illusion comes in the Jiva, that what is true they think it's untrue, and what is untrue they think is true.
ये जो ब्रह्म जो हमारे पास जो होता है, वो भ्रमित होते हैं। जो सत्य नहीं है,
This is not true, but then we think that's true. So that illusion is created by Maya in us. That is the job of the Maya, to cause illusion in a jiva. That's how then the Maya attracts. There's two jobs of a Jai Maya. Vikshay Patra.
फिर उसे अच्छे तरह से टाइट करके
Bhas, you know what is the purpose of the Maya? It covers and then tights it up and then throws you in the sansar. In this jad sarir, in this material body, we come in sansar.
से जीव
Bhas,
अतः माया तेरे दय
sansar.
ये कब से हम संसार में भ्रमण कर रहे हैं?
How many times we have just wandering around in this material world?
ये अनादि काल से जब से भगवान है तब सूर्य के रश्मि कब है?
When is Surya's Rasmi? You know, as long as the sun is there, the sunlight will be there. There's no separation between sun and the sunlight. So similarly, when God is there. So similarly, Jeev is also there. That time we've been wandering around.
अतः माया तेरे दय इस संसार से परित्राण पाने के लिए उपाय क्या है?
What is it now? What is the solution to come out from this material world? We've got Sambandh Gyan with Gurudev. You have to have a relationship with Gurudev. Then once you have this relationship, you should have a relationship Gyan. And then everything's easier. That's why Gurudev, why do we get this Guru mantra? To build a relationship with Guru. With this Guru mantra, Gurudev is called Sambandha Pradata. What does Guru do? He makes the relationship with Krishna. So I said, Gopal mantra. Okay, I'll give you Gopal mantra. Guru mantra. Actually, people say, give me Gopal mantra. So Guru mantra. Actually, people say, oh, we want Gopal mantra, but surely before Gopal mantra, we should have Guru mantra. Because if we don't have relationship with Guru, I missed that. What did he say? I can't hear. Diksha. At Diksha time, you get Diksha. Yeah, when you get Diksha, you get Guru mantra. Why? To build the faith in them. Gopal mantra is a Raj mantra, is a zest, it's like more. So people ask for Gopal mantra, but actually Guru mantra should be given first. So he said, if you don't do the Guru mantra, Shyam Prabhu said that if you don't do this Guru mantra properly, then if you take a mantra and then you are not chanting properly, you should do it properly with pure concentration. You should do this. For example, like Siddhi, sthir, restless. You should make your mind very fixed. Fix your mind. It shouldn't be restless. Mantra. What is in the mantra? The mantra is the Swarup, like Agni, like fire. The
फायर मैंने ये क्रोध कहते हैं ना, फायर हो गया बोलते हैं
like somebody, it's a joke. It says if somebody gets really angry, then we might say use a term that, oh, there's fire here,
See mantra as fire.
No. Yes, the Shakti, the Sabhav, the nature and the Shakti is in the mantra. Even if you understand or don't understand the mantra will automatically do its job. The Vastu, the nature or the Shakti in the mantra is already there. So that's why when Gopkumar is saying, my Gurudev gave me Gopal mantra, he didn't tell me the meaning. Yeah, in Gopal mantra, he didn't say what the meaning of this Gopal mantra.
उनके गुरुदेव दीक्षा मंत्र देने के क्या बोले, गोपाल मंत्र देने के मच्छी तो
his guru gave Gopal mantra and then he disappeared. Then here we are saying, I'm always teaching how to do this, write it down. I'm always telling you sit, there's always a when I give Diksha to foreigners, then I give them the paper first. Then because the pronunciation is not there. Yeah. So when I am saying the mantra, then they got the paper, so they are looking at the reading from the paper and then they are saying the mantra. Yeah, but that also is for the Indians as well. So he said, in my time, it wasn't like that. My time, he said, Gurudev's time. So you would just first he would give you the mantra, and then he would give you the paper. But now I have to give the paper, and then the mantras are repeated. So what she is saying that I got this relationship with my Gurudev, that then she said, maybe how was I crying? Maybe Gurudev is saying that Dana, in a humility you are crying, that you would know why you were crying. No, if somebody is crying, it doesn't mean that we should joke around. Maybe there is a sambandha, that relationship, that's why they are crying. But that whoever is crying, they would know why they are crying. That is repentation, like, that my Gurudev was here and I didn't take the opportunity. Or otherwise you could be crying because of love. Last question. The jivas that looks on the towards the spiritual world, do they go to Vaikunt or Ayodhya or Mathura or Golok Vrindavan? Because I heard somewhere that they only go to Vaikunt. Then you are stuck in Vaikunt, right? But if you come to a material world, then at least you have got this opportunity to go to Golok Vrindavan. Okay, you explain that. Okay, you want. So here Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Utpatti. The source. Okay, now he is talking about the source of jivas. The source of one is from Baladev Prabhu. Listen very carefully. The jivas that come from Baladev Prabhu, that will go to Golok Vrindavan for Bhagwan Seva. They don't know anything about material world. This material world they don't have any clue about this material world. They are totally absorbed in the Seva. Okay. The second is the jivas who came from the source of Sankarsan, they go to Vaikunt. They go to the Vaikunt. And the third is the jivas who Karnadaksha Shakti, Karnadaksha Vishnu, that comes in the Tataksha Shakti. Acha. Yes. That Tataksha Shakti is very near Maya. Yes. That also are of two types of jivas. The ones that came to the source from Tataksha, that will go to Vaikunt. These jivas that came from Sankarsan, Baladev, first Baladev, they will go to Golok Vrindavan. Then Sankarsan, they will go to Vaikunt. They will go to Vaikunt. And then Karnadaksha Vishnu, that will come, that is in the Tataksha. That is in the middle. That is very near material world. Okay, yes. And then from there two types. One that will look on the Bhagwan side, spiritual world, will go to Vaikunt. That Sankarsan. Tataksha, no, Karnadaksha Vishnu. Okay, they are talking so much. These two jeeps now. The jivas that came from Tataksha Shakti, they will go to Vaikunt. The jivas who looked at the spiritual world will go to Vaikunt, and who looked at the material world, they are here.
माई जगत में जो जीव आ गए,
The jivas that have come in material world.
जो अयोध्या नगर का मथुरा चले गए, वो कभी गोलोक वृंदावन में नहीं गए।
Yes, okay. The jivas that came from Tataksha Shakti, right? They will never go to. If they look on that, if they will never go to Golok Vrindavan. They have gone to Vaikunt or Ayodhya.
एक ने देखा माया की तरफ, एक ने देखा बैकुंठ की तरफ।
हाँ,
जो बैकुंठ की तरफ गए वो लोग कभी वृंदावन में नहीं जाए।
जाएगा. That's.
जो लोग माया जगत में आकर
So the jivas that were from the Tataksha Shakti who looked on the Bhagwan, who went on the spiritual world, they will go to Vaikunt. That's what I'm saying. That's the question I asked earlier. But
इस जगत में जो आ गए,
the jivas that have come in this material world,
उसमें उनकी जिस सौभाग्य वो
that is a fortune. We are fortunate. That's it. We come. So here, jivas that came to Tataksha Shakti actually are fortunate as well because we have got that opportunity to go to Golok Vrindavan. So this is our fortune. So if you went to Vaikunt, they're first. No, if they are in Vaikunt, then they can never come back into material world. No. This is what.
भास्ते सूर्यो न
हाँ.
भास्ते सूर्यो न शशंकर न तारका।
You know, like in ISKCON, they say that jivas come.
ये इसलिए कार्य है जो
So the jivas, whoever we have come in this material world, we have still got opportunity Golok Vrindavan. To even that, to Radha Dasya, we have got that opportunity. See, if they've gone to jivas that have gone to Vaikuntha, they don't have this opportunity.
जीव शक्ति जो बताया, जीव शक्ति जो जीव प्रकट वो कौन है?
So Jiv Shakti.
अरे जीव शक्ति एक शक्ति के नाम ही एक जीव शक्ति है। तत्व शक्ति के नाम उसके होने विभिन्नांग से शक्ति, तत्व शक्ति, जीव शक्ति, ये नाम से बता दी जाए।
कारण दक्षाई विष्णु से ही होकर प्रकट हो गए।
तो कारणदक्षी शक्ति, कारणदक्षी विष्णु ही से जो है उसकी कार्य है वो तत्व शक्ति है।
उनसे ही प्रकट हो रहे हैं।
हाँ, वो दो प्रकार की है। एक
Sorry.
वैकुंठ की तरफ जा रहे हैं और एक
Yes, jivas that one are going to Vaikunt and one are coming to material world.
माई जगत।
So who took darshan of material world, they came here, and the jivas who took darshan of Chit, Jagat, they went to spiritual. So why did we come? Why did we come here? We wanted to come. Much.
और जो लोग देखा ही नहीं सच्चा लोग।
They looked.
इसलिए कहते हैं
That's why
जगत
in Chit, Jagat, in spiritual world,
वैकुंठ हो, अयोध्या हो,
or Vaikunt, Ayodhya, or Mathura, Golok, Vrindavan,
चित जगत
that is called spiritual world.
में जितने जीव है
All the jivas that are in spiritual world, they don't even know that there is material world exists. That's what.
क्या माई जगत अपनी कहते हैं, क्या वो नहीं जानती है जानने पर ही
What?
वो जानते हैं क्योंकि
They don't know.
शब्द नहीं है
They don't know.
यहाँ ये शब्द कार्य
They
वो लोग इतने सेवा में भगवत
are so, those jivas are so absorbed in that Bhagwan, they don't even have time to think of anything else.
इस जगत में इस जगत के बारे में उसके
Samay nahi, they don't have time to think about material world because they are so much absorbed in Bhagwan Seva.
जिसके समय है ना
People who have same, when we have time, then we think about either and there or watch TV or something. But
है आप जा अरे इनके प्रश्न कोई भी
yeah, ये खुला है. Oh no. I've got one very good question. Another question. Let them go. Oh, shift a little bit now.
जो नहीं वो जा रहे
I like a scarf.
सुनो
One.
हाँ रिनाउंस करना ठीक है
Gurudev. Gurudev. Oh no.
8:30 अभी क्या
8:30 आती होगी।
अंदर अंदर कर लिया
Maybe I can tell. I remember and also
Gurudev, we can't hear.
yeah, he was speaking already maybe 10 minutes.
Can we, Gurudev, I can't hear. I can't translate. The each, I can't hear. Have, that's it. That's the question I was going to ask actually. The potency is there for to go to Vaikuntha. So that's why here Gurudev is saying nothing happens without Bhagwan's ichha, Bhagwan's desire. Bhagwan's desire. Without Bhagwan's desire, nothing happens. Practice. We are practice. We are.
Man propose God.
We try to do something, but actually it will be. We have desire that I want this, I want that, or this will happen. But so I said, I get a nice husband, I get nice husband, I get nice wife or nice husband. Everybody wants that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. Shyam Prabhu doesn't want either. Shyam Prabhu, नहीं चाहिए ना, नहीं चाहिए ना. He said, I spoke. सब बोल. So she's talking about when he cried, you spoke everything. She said, I had so much to speak, but I couldn't speak so much.
अच्छा लिखा भी नहीं लिखा पर सुनाते नहीं कदा क्या सुना
she's saying that I didn't write down what I want to speak. People will speak. So he said, what is the bhasa, what is the language of prem? The
गुरुदेव की कथा है हम भी कब बोलते हैं गुरुदेव की प्रेम की परिभाषा अनेकों देते जा रहे हैं
everybody will say the language of prema from Ujjwal Nilmali to there's so many different languages, but what is the last language of prem? What is the tears. If you have tears, that is the language of prem. Gurudev understands you. Even if you gave one drop of Gurudev will understand your tears. Like it's not what you read. Gurudev understands. Puspanjali. So he said, I did my Puspanjali. Okay, why not? Gurudev says, of course. What can be? Asu, the tears are the best Puspanjali for Gurudev. He said, no, I am thinking I never said anything. Like, whoever does everything, they say, I haven't done anything. Even so, Rupa Goswami is saying, I've done so much bhajan, and he's saying, I haven't done anything. So whoever is sassed, who is superior, they will always think they are inferior. That's true. So your Puspanjali was very good. If you say, then that's happened. Gurudev understands your bhavna. You gave tears to. Or maybe you cried for your husband, but you gave tears for your Gurudev. So obviously, Gurudev understands. He will understand. Question. Radha ji wanted to write a letter to Krishna, and then what did Lalita? She wanted to write Krishna, but because she could not write because the tears. Then the letter just got absorbed with tears, so all the ink fell. Then at that
हमारे
time.
बाद मेरा दीजिए आ जाता नंबर, मैं यही व्याख्या करती हूँ।
So then she took the letter. She gave the letter to Lalita.
हैं? अच्छे ही देखते हैं ना, हैं? कोई वस्तु में हो अथवा स्थावर जंगम देखे ना देखे तर मन की रात है। आगो देखो ये हम भगवान के लिए रो रहे हैं।
So everyone says, like this, right? They say, I cannot cry, but she's crying for Bhagwan. So that's good.
समझने वाले समझ लो, नहीं रोए।
Gurudev,
आपका
Gurudev understood your tears.
है कि नहीं? तो किस भाव से
It's what how you are crying.
चलो हम जिस कथन में जो जी वैकुंठ में चले गए।
Okay, so now we go back to the Katha that Jeeves went to Vaikuntha. Because that potency, they went to Vaikuntha because they had that potency in them. That's the question I was going to ask it.
वहाँ पर जाने पर तो शांति है।
Yeah. Where whatever the potency is in the jiva, that jiva will be peaceful. Where its potency is, where it go, that potency will take them to that place.
भूमलोक से लेकर के भूमलोक समझ लो।
No,
पृथ्वीलोक से चलते
Prithvi.
कहीं आपकी
So even if he goes to the potency, whatever potency the jiva is, so like wherever they go, they will not be feeling comfortable anywhere until their potency is for whatever planet, whatever spiritual or like. So let's say if they have a potency of Golok Vrindavan, they will not be feel peace even if they go to Ayodhya, Ramlok. They will not like that.
कृष्ण ही राम लोक नहीं है।
So even Krishna is there, right, in Ramlok, but still they will not be peaceful there.
वृंदावन
But the potency is Golok Vrindavan. Then they feel peaceful and they feel at home.
इसलिए तो एक स्वरूप है सवारा भाई
That's why Swarup hai. Okay.
मूला कीर्तन स्वरूप है वहाँ पर साईं महाराज इसको उत्तर के बोलते हैं।
Swami Maharaj used to say this.
सवारा भाई गुरु
Swarupa hai.
स्वरूप तो जो है जिसको जो है स्वरूप तो जो है
Whatever your Swarup is,
जब गुरु वृंदावन
if wherever your Swarup is, then that if it's Golok Vrindavan, you'll go to Golok Vrindavan. Who do you, when he said, he asked this question, who you feel happy with, who you, and then it's like naturally, whoever you feel comfortable with and you feel happy with, you will sit with them.
मैं किसने ब्राजील चला है
That's why go Brazil.
ऐसे पूछो
Ask him.
कितने लाइन लगाते हैं हमारे उत्तर से 70 राशि उत्तर तभी नीचे करते हैं वो लोग नाम एंट्री करते थे
So much line. There were so many devotees to the.
कल तुम्हें आज नहीं आज और रास्ते में खड़ी रहते गाड़ी जा रहे
Oh really? They had a queue outside. Like if come out, they were waiting. There's line. There's how many people can come in Brazil.
पूरा इधर ठुस ठुस कर गाड़ी जाती है
They used to be like so many crowded. So many people were there. So many devotees that it used to be so crowded in Brazil.
जिस देश में चलते हैं वो लोग भी मुझे कुछ वैसे चलते हैं
So whichever the city I go, all the devotees would also come with me. Live, we saw it live.
एक सेवा बता दो गुरुदेव कि गुरुदेव 4 प्रकार से शिष्य का पालन करते हैं।
He's asking 4 types of Sishya. But before that, can I finish one question I have about the Tatak Shastra thing? Jiva. Yes, that's a good question. He said everybody that's in Gaudiya, Gauravediya, will they all go to Golok Frame? And he said that we've come in the Dhara, we've come in Mahaprabhu, so are we all going to go? So he said,
कहीं न कहीं मैंने गुरुदेव से बोल दिया
I've seen that Gurudev
आज हम इधर गुरुदेव कह रहे हैं
Gurudev is saying
जैसे आपने जो प्रश्न पूछा है उत्तम प्रश्न है
that question that you've asked is very good, that will everybody go to Golok Vrindavan?
यदि
All Gaudiyas. There's two. There's answer two. Whoever Ras. So first I'll say whoever is Ras, they have that rasa, they will go to Lok with. Doesn't mean that all of them. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, even Hanumanji came, right? Parikar. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, so many parikars came. Hanuman came, Vaikunth from Advaita Acharya came. Also that's Vishnu. So they came from Vaikunth. According to the bhav you have and according to your potency, that's where you'll go. Who have come? Mahaprabhu. 90. What percentage? 99% there is a there is a chance of them to go to Golok Vrindavan. 1% maybe go somewhere else. That Mahaprabhu is openly giving this Krishna Prem, like openly. That's why he said just take shelter of Mahaprabhu. If you don't surrender to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chatha. Whoever surrender to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Radha. Yes, but the potency has to be that, na? The Jiva's potency has to be that. But the seed. But that is like every. The sloka is saying that whoever surrenders in the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because of so many, not everybody comes to the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It's because of so many lifetimes Sukriti. That's why we've come here. So you have to have one pointed nistha. Now what else will you need? If you surrender to that is the topmost. If you surrender at the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because of so many lifetimes of Sukriti, that's why you're here. It's not easy to surrender. It's not anything ordinary or easy to surrender at the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We are talking about this sloka. That yatha. Can you make a note of that sloka? Yatha. So the topmost is to surrender to the lotus feet of. Now he's asking a question: will you go to Chandravali's Prax or Radharani's Prax side? Yatha. Is it here? So whatever, the dhara, if you come in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then you got 99% chance to go to Golok Vrindavan. But that not everyone is going to be Radha Dasi. Sometimes it's also Sringaras. Yatha Gora Pada Vinda.